Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a vegetarian recipe which is orange masoor dal with spinach herbs. Here I have the orange dal picked and I'm going to wash it thoroughly. Thereafter I have a bay leaf, a teaspoon of hurdee, a teaspoon of salt and a liter of water that's already boiling. I'm going to put this dal for boiling for about 15 minutes. Here I have my 1 liter of water boiling. So I'm just going to add in my dal to it, of which I already washed. To this, I'm going to add my teaspoon of hardee, my teaspoon of salt and my 1 bay leaf. Allow this to boil for about 15 minutes. I took note that my dal is boiling and it's going to overflow. So there's a useful tip. I'll place a wooden spoon over. So this wooden spoon will stop the water from flowing over the side. The rest of my ingredients for the braising, I have here 400 grams of spinach herbs, of which I washed and cut. These herbs are from my garden. 1 onion that I chopped up, 2 tomatoes that I cut. For the spice, I have 10 cloves of garlic which I sliced, 1 teaspoon of whole jeera, 1 teaspoon of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt to taste. I also have 2 dry chillies to braise and 2 green chillies. I have here some curry leaf and to garnish some spring onions. And for the braising, I have half a cup of oil. As my dal is boiling, I am going to start braising my herbs. I've got my stove on moderate heat and I'm adding in my half a cup of oil. Also, I'm checking on my dal. I'm ready to put my onions in to my oil. I'll allow these onions to fry a little. 15 minutes passed for my dal and it's done completely. So I'm just going to switch the stove off without draining because I'm going to use that water of it for gravy. My onions are beginning to brown up. So I'm adding in my curry leaf. My jeera. My 2 dry chillies. And my garlic. I'll allow this to fry. Thereafter, I'm going to add in my spices. My 2 green chillies. Now I add in my tomatoes. To my tomatoes, I'm also going to add in my salt. I give this tomato a good mix till my tomato is Well done. Ten minutes has passed and my tomato is melted. I'll add my spinach herbs to the curry. I'm going to mix in my herbs slowly. I'll give this about another 10 minutes. 8 minutes has passed and my herbs is half done. I'm going to pour in the dhal so it can cook completely till the curry is done. I'm just going to pick out this bay leaf and give this curry another mix till it comes into a thick gravy. Then I'm ready to garnish. It's been another 8 minutes and the curry is nice and thick. Now I'm ready to garnish. I've got some frozen dhania, with some spring onions, now I'm ready to serve. There you go, your lovely orange masoor dal with spinach, which makes a very lovely vegetarian meal, which is also served with freshly cooked rice and some pickle on the side. You can also have the curry just with spoon like a soup. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.